Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to Reefs, the best channel on YouTube. We're going to be talking about Reels on Instagram and how to utilize them and how to use them to the best ability and gain thousands of followers a week just for posting on Reels. Very simple content. This video is going to be very simple and clear, and there's not much to this video. It's actually going to be kind of a shorter video because there's not much to Reels, but there is some little strategies and little things that you can do to actually get a lot of followers using Reels. But first, I'm gonna need you guys to leave a like on this video right now, because you have to, because I made my bed for this video. Look at how nice my bed looks. It looks great, huh? So you guys gotta leave a like. Also, been checking my analytics and it says half of you guys are not subscribed at all who watch my videos. So if this is your first time seeing me, or if it's not, you guys should subscribe for sure, because like, I don't know, you just should. Like, I'm just saying, you don't have to, but you really should. Let's get straight into this, because there's not much to do here. Not much to talk about, but I do want to talk about this, and I do think it's important for the future and just growing on Instagram in general. Okay, first let's explain Reels real quick. Okay, we all know what Mark Zuck's doing. Okay, let's just point out the obvious. It's kind of a TikTok clone, and this is what we've seen for many generations and many updates over the years, like we saw with stories. And Reels is just pretty much a copycat of TikTok, and how Stories is just kind of a copycat of Snapchat. You know, we could talk about if that's okay or not, but that's a whole different subject. And we're just going to be talking about what Reels is. So let's just identify that it's TikTok essentially on Instagram, which, you know, from a business perspective, a pretty good move. You know, we weren't sure for a while if TikTok's going to get banned, and we're still not 100% sure if it's actually going to stay here, and the volatility is kind of high with TikTok. So perfect move on Facebook's part in implementing a Reels TikTok clone onto Instagram. Great move. But yeah, okay, so that's what it is, and it's pretty similar. You can pick a sound, or you can just make 15-second videos, and it goes onto a feed where you scroll up and down just like TikTok. Engagement in general is what's gonna drive your video to the top. And so let's talk about this. I think first of all, if you're not using Reels at all, that's your first L. Come on, it's pretty much Reels is free real estate at this point.
It's free real estate.
If you already post the TikToks that you've already made on Instagram Reels, they're gonna do really well, because Instagram is really trying to push Reels right now, so a bunch of engagement is happening naturally. I've just been posting just clips that I've made from TikTok, just putting them on Instagram, and they're getting hundreds of thousands of views. Literally, like, videos that I've made on my TikTok that are getting 2,000 views literally get 400,000 views on Instagram Reels. It's actually insane, and I don't even do that much. It's literally the same video, and it has the TikTok watermark on it. Like, it doesn't matter, and I'm gaining thousands and hundreds of followers a day just from reposting my TikToks. And let's just start there. If you haven't gotten Reels yet, or if you've not posted anything and you make TikToks and you're also on Instagram, doesn't even matter what theme you're in. If you're just you and you make TikToks like an influencer, I guess, then just start uploading your TikToks onto Instagram. And if you're a theme page, just go, I don't know, upload the existing content that you're going to post to your feed. Instead of posting it to your feed, upload it to Reels, because I've seen with my theme pages, I do that and they're getting 500,000 views on Reels. It's insane. It's like engagement boost. It's just like a free engagement boost, and people are super likely to follow. Like, I'm getting hundreds of followers a day, and if you just put like an engaging caption on the reel, like, you know, follow me for more, and then you put your @ kind of give a general incentive to follow you. Using Reels is a really big tool, and I think people are not abusing the system right now, and I'm gonna need you this video is more like telling you guys abuse Reels. Like, go post as many reels as you can, because this is what we're seeing like in the early stages of TikTok, where you can just post whatever and it has a high chance of going viral if it's good. And so that's how it kind of is on Instagram Reels right now. You know, if it's like a viral content on TikTok, I guarantee you can just download that video. Like, let's say you have a theme page about cars and there's a viral TikTok going on right now about a certain car or a certain something. All you have to do is go download that TikTok, and you have a theme page about cars, and then you go post it onto the Reels on Instagram on your theme page about cars. And you say in the caption, you know, follow me for more car videos, and then you post the viral car clip onto Reels. You can like expect hundreds of thousands of views. It's ridiculous. You don't even have to have that many followers. I found that with my pages under like 10,000 followers, not very big pages or theme pages at all, and they're still getting hundreds of thousands of views and hundreds of followers a day just from posting on Reels. I'm telling you guys, don't skip out on Reels right now. Use it now, abuse it now, and just get big. Like, because that's what everyone else is doing. Just don't skip it out. Don't be like how you were when TikTok first came out and skip out on TikTok. Join right now and pretty much just post as much as you can. And yeah, so that's kind of it. There's not really much to Reels. Like, there's not really much algorithm in depth that I can talk about right now. All I'm gonna say to you guys is find content from TikTok or that content that you're already gonna post on your feed on Instagram and upload it to Reels. Just try it. It's super engagement boosting right now, and Instagram really wants you to use Reels, so they're gonna reward you for using Reels, just like how they were rewarding in the beginning for people using stories. They would engage your views on your stories so that you would post more stories. Same thing with IGTV. They were just rewarding people for just posting because it's a new feature, and that's, I'm pretty sure, what's going on right now with Reels. So just post on Reels, guys, and just try it out, to be honest. I mean, there's nothing you can really lose. You're just going to get free engagement, pretty much. That's what I've found just by using Reels by myself. I've noticed that my engagement has just gone up dramatically. So yeah, go try it out. Just go find some content that you're going to post, or from TikTok, you can just repurpose it. And you can actually just upload old content back onto Reels. If you're following like really old like content from a year ago, upload it on Reels and it might get 1 million views. So I'm just saying, go try it out. This is what the video has been about. There's not really much I can say about it. Just make an engaging caption, make good content, just have something good to post on Reels, and I'm just gonna give you guys a Reels guarantee that you're actually gonna get an increased engagement. And that's pretty much all I have to talk about today, guys. It's just Instagram Reels. This is more of like a heads up, you know, go check out this, make sure to use this properly, and you can see I've gained thousands of followers. You know, I've gained probably 20,000 followers in the last month that Reels has been out, and that's probably the most I've ever gained in 1 month. And that's even when I was gaining 40,000 followers a week on TikTok. I was not gaining as much, which is absolutely insane on Instagram. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you do like this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe with bell notifications turned on. I'll really appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching Reefs, and go make some money.